Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Trust Wallet to a bank account. First, use a platform like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Make sure the platform supports fiat withdrawals to your country. Then create an account and verify your identity if needed. Now open the Trust Wallet and select Bitcoin or BTC from your wallet. Next, tap Send and paste your exchange BTC deposit address. After that, enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Then, go to your exchange account and code a trade, then select BTC and choose Sell. Here, choose your desired fiat currency such as USD, EUR, GBP, or PKR and sell your Bitcoin. Confirm the transaction. After that, go to Withdraw and select Bank Account. Enter your bank account details including IBAN, SWIFT, or account number. Then enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the withdrawal. The processing time may vary from instant to 3 business days. Finally, check your bank account for deposit, keep your transaction references for tracking, and contact exchange support if the funds do not appear. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.